artificial intelligence as a powerful tool for artistic exploration, analysis, and collaboration. AI, in its unique way, expands the horizons of artistic expression, pushing the boundaries of creativity beyond our wildest imaginations. Imagine delving deeper into the nuances of an art piece, the AI guiding you through the intricate labyrinth of colors, patterns, and emotions, or consider a world where AI assists artists, offering a fresh perspective, a new lens through which to view their work. It's like having an invisible, intelligent companion, constantly challenging and inspiring you to reach new artistic heights. AI is more than a tool, it's a catalyst for innovation, a bridge connecting art and technology in a symbiotic dance of evolution and expression. We can unlock new avenues for artistic creation, forge innovative partnerships between human and machine, and embark on a shared journey of aesthetic discovery that transcends the limitations of traditional artistic tools and mediums. The intersection of AI and art is a captivating crossroad, a place where technology and creativity meet and intertwine. We've delved into a realm where algorithms dance with paintbrushes, where AI can analyze, restore, and even generate art, pushing the boundaries of what we know as artistic expression. Yet it's not without its complexities. From ethical queries about originality and ownership to the question of whether a machine can truly capture raw human emotion, we find ourselves in uncharted waters. The journey of AI in the art world is not about replacing human artists or replicating masterpieces, but rather about expanding the possibilities of artistic expression. It's about using AI as a tool for exploration, analysis, and collaboration, forging innovative partnerships between human and machine. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world where technology and art collide. And remember, the canvas of the future is vast and uncharted, awaiting our collective imagination and ingenuity.